question 8, have a go. So this part A, this problem solving. So we're told that the volume is 81. Okay, so let's call the depth of the cuboid y. So the volume is going to be 2x times y, and we're told that that is 81. So 2x times y is 81. Gathering our terms, we get this. Dividing through by 2x squared, we therefore can get this equation that y equals 81 over 2x squared. Now, we know the total length of all the edges is going to be this edge, 2x plus x plus 2x plus x, two lots of that, once at the front and once at the back, so that's this bit, and then also 4 lots of this y. So that gives us, gathering up our first bit, that gives us 2 lots of 6x and 4 lots of y. Well, we've already worked out that y is 81 over 2x squared, so 4 lots of 81 over 2x squared. So just cancelling the 4 divided by 2 to give us a 2, this gives us 12 lots of x plus 162 over x squared, which is what we're asked to show. Now part B are using calculus to find the minimum, so remember we need to differentiate for this. So let's start off by getting L in a format ready to differentiate. So taking the x squared to the top, we can think of 162 over x squared as being 162x to the minus 2. So this version of L is a lot easier to differentiate. So differentiating that, we get this. Now remember, at a maximum or a minimum, the differential equals 0. So this equals 0. So just following through the algebra, so adding 324 over x cubed to both sides, we get this. Multiplying through by x cubed and dividing by 12, we get this. And then cube rooting, we get... this simplifies, 324 over 12 simplifies to 27, and then cube rooting x equals 3. So x equals 3 is the length for which L is going to be a maximum or a minimum. So we know that L equals 12x plus 162 over x squared, which we were asked to show beforehand. We've just worked out that x is 3, so substituting 3 into this, we get the minimum value of L being 54 centimeters. Now, to prove that this is a minimum, we need to double differentiate and then show that this is greater than 0. So d2L dx squared is the differential of this. Remember, that's going to be minus 3 times minus 324, which is 972, x to the minus 4, because we've reduced the power by 1. This can then be thought of as 972 over x to the power of 4. We know that x is 3, so 972 over 3 to the 4 is a positive value, and because it's value, this proves that it's a minimum amount.